Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on, yes, it's a Monday, August the 24th, 2020. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one. A.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this one will be a number 1402. So let's get started. And the first question is, can you see here the single box? Yes, this is the single box, always the one. Alright, dual boxes, dual box 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Do we have more dual box? Yes, this dual box, I do not know in which order, but it's a 1 and a 2. Triple box, I see here triple box, the 1 and the 2 are filled in, so this should be a 3. Triple box, 1 is filled in, so this should be the 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. In this area, 3 boxes left. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3. In these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark them for you. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. 2 boxes left for the 4 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. It means these 2 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. That means if this is a 4, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 4. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 2 boxes left for the 4 should be here or there. This box cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so these 2 boxes are left for the 5 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark them. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so those 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. That means this box cannot be a 2. If this is a 2, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be the 3, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So these 2 boxes could be a 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes in that box. And the 1 are left for this box. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. For 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 should be the 4 and the 5 as a pair. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them, 1 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be 1 or 5. 1 or 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 5. This one and that one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3. These 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the 5. Then, yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be the 4 and cannot be a 5. Yes. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be the 3. And this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. This box should be a 4. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be the 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 4. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. And then. Let me see. 2. Yes, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5, because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. This box should be the number 4 because it cannot be a 1 or a 2 because I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 and a 2 cannot be a 3, should be the 4, and cannot be a 5. Yes, should be the 4. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. 4 and a 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 1. The 5 and the 4 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. We have a 2 here. That means these two boxes can be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2. The 3 and the 5 are left. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Yeah. 1, 2. This box. 1, 2, 3. This box should be, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 3. 4 and a 5 are left. Let me mark them. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these two boxes. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4 or 5, because I have a 4 and 5 in these two boxes. So it should be a 3 here. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. So 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 2 boxes left, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means we have a 5 here. This box cannot be a 5 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this should be the 4. We have a 5 here. We have a 5 there. So this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. And this should be the 4. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye-bye.